Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to take a deeper look at batch cooking techniques for beginners. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of cooking ahead, this session will show you how easy and rewarding it can be. Batch cooking is all about preparing food in larger quantities, so you spend less time cooking during the week and more time enjoying healthy meals. Let's start with why batch cooking works so well. It saves time, reduces stress, minimizes cleanup, and keeps you consistent. Instead of cooking every day, you cook once or twice and eat well all week. Step 1. Start simple. You don't need to prep a week's worth of meals on your first try. Begin with 1 or 2 dishes that you can use in different ways, like grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, or cooked grains. Step 2. Pick your batch cooking day. Most people choose Sunday or a day off when they have a few uninterrupted hours. Block out 2 to 3 hours, make your grocery list, and get everything ready before you start. Step 3. Use the right tools. Large sheet pans, non-stick skillets, slow cookers, and instant pots are great for cooking in bulk. Sharp knives, measuring cups, and airtight containers are also essential for efficiency. Step 4. Prep before you cook. Chop all your vegetables, wash your greens, and measure ingredients before turning on the stove. This reduces chaos and helps you move smoothly from one task to the next. Step 5. Cook in layers. Start with foods that take the longest, like grains, beans, or proteins. While those cook, prepare quicker items such as vegetables or sauces. Multitasking smartly saves time and keeps your kitchen flow organized. Step 6. Season smartly. When cooking in batches, keep your seasoning flexible. Cook ingredients simply, with salt, pepper, and light herbs, so you can easily customize flavors later in the week. For example, plain grilled chicken can become Mexican-style tacos one night and Asian stir-fry the next. Step 7. Portion and store immediately. Once everything is cooked, divide your meals into single-serving containers. This makes grab-and-go lunches or quick dinners effortless. Label each container with the dish name and date so you always know what's fresh. Step 8. Use your freezer wisely. Soups, stews, sauces, and cooked grains freeze beautifully. Cool food completely before freezing and store flat in labeled freezer bags to save space. Reheat slowly on the stove or in the microwave when ready to eat. Step 9. Build variety from basics. Think of your batch-cooked foods as building blocks. A batch of quinoa can become a salad, stir-fry, or breakfast bowl. Roasted vegetables can be turned into wraps, omelets, or pasta dishes. Step 10. Clean as you go. Keeping your workspace tidy makes the whole process less stressful and easier to repeat week after week. The key is consistency, not perfection. Over time, you'll find your rhythm and favorite recipes that work for you. Here's your quick recap. Start small, prep ahead, cook in layers, season simply, portion smartly, and freeze strategically. Batch cooking is the bridge between good intentions and real results. It turns healthy eating into a lifestyle that fits your schedule. In the next lesson, we'll explore meal prep shortcuts and hacks that make cooking even faster. Let's make your kitchen work smarter, not harder.